Hello and welcome in another tutorial video. In this video I want to show you how to start mining NEOXA. NEOXA is the one of the most profitable coins in the past 2 weeks, and if you go to what to mine on each hardware, AMD or NVIDIA, you will find that NEOXA is one of the most profitable coins. First thing you need to do is to obtain a wallet address. You have option to get address from some of the exchanges there is listed NEOXA, or you can download official wallet and use that wallet address. I will show you how to get the wallet address. Click on the downloads and you will find different versions of wallets. Yeah, I will download Windows GUI wallet. Click on this link. Unzip the wallet, open the folder and click on this exe file. This will install your wallet, so use default or custom folder. Okay. In the next field it will says generate or import passphrase. Because I am using this first time, I will generate new. This is my recovery phrase. You need to save this in some safe place. After you save your passphrase, you will need to enter again in the wallet. Paste. And click on import. Now click on allow. Now you need to enter your password or create new. I will create new because I am doing this first time. Now it says wallet passphrase was successfully set. Okay, and you will need to wait some time to update the blockchain, or you may do on this hide button. Click on hide and it will show you the wallet. To get your wallet address, click on receive. In the label I will enter mining and I will request payment, and this is your wallet address. This button, copy address, you can copy. Anytime you want to see your address, just click on the first line and it will show your mining address. Now, after we get our wallet address, we need to find pool where we can mine this coin. On the mining pool.stream, just type in the search coins NEOXA and click on that, and it will open all available pools for this coin. The largest pool is the 2 miners, so I will use this pool for mining. Click on the 2 miners and it will go to this site. Here you can find how to start mining this coin. Click on how to start, and now it says step 1, create a wallet, download mining software. For NVIDIA GPUs is recommended Gminer or T-Rex miner. For AMD GPUs is recommended Naba miner or Timred miner. Because on this PC I have NVIDIA graphic card, I will download Gminer. Just to find where to download. Now, where to download Gminer? On the official GitHub page, click on that link and it will open GitHub, and from this link you can download Gminer. Open Gminer, open your download folder first, and then extract Gminer. And in the prepared batch files you will find neox.bat. Edit, right click on this file and edit. You see that there is already set 2 miners pool. You need to change just your mining address. Go to your wallet and copy your address and paste in the NEOXA patch file. Save it, and now you will see that your batch file is prepared. If you want to set up a worker name, you will need in your batch file, after the address you will need to enter dot and your worker name. And again click on save. Now close this file. Open again. Click on, I will make a shortcut on my desktop. Oh no, open your mining folder and close everything, and I will start MSI Afterburner up to set up my graphic card, or I will try first without any kind of setup to start the miner. Just do not forget, for any kind of miner software, some miners need this option, some don't, but is preferable to run mining application as an administrator. So in show more properties, click properties, and in compatibility check this button, run this program as an administrator, apply and OK. So now you are ready to start mining NEOXA. double click on my NEOX.bat. You see that Microsoft Defender antivirus found threat. Click on this, allow on device and start actions. So try again now, and now you will see that mining is started. DAG verification passed, and it is start mining. You can close any of these files. So you will see that we are already mining. My speed is around 8.92 megahashes. I will close this now, and I will try to overclock my card a little bit. So close this, and in the MSI Afterburner I will reduce power limit, and I will add 50 on core clock and 100 on memory clock, and click on apply. And now I will try again to mine NEOXA. Okay, the mining is started now, and wait a couple of minutes to miner to start finding shares. We will wait a couple of minutes. You will see that my GPU usage is on 100% and the temperature is slowly rising. So yes, we found a share, and this is my speed. We do not get anything much from the overclocking, but I am using 1060 NVIDIA. It's my old card with 6 gigabytes just for purpose for these videos, and it is okay. So we are seeing that we are successfully started mining NEOXA. I will close this now. Additional information about NEOXA you can find on their website or CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap you are seeing current price of NEOXA, or if you need to set up simple mining on to mine NEOXA, go to hashrate.no, click on the miner options, choose your graphic card. I will show you for AMD. Click on this button here and find NEOX. Click on the next step. Choose your miner. For AMD Guppies, the best miner is Team Red Miner. select pool, click on the next step, choose your location, Europe, next step, enter your wallet address, copy from your wallet, paste, and you are done. You have two lines for your miner. This first one is for simple mining, and the second one is for Windows. If you are using simple mining, paste this in your group config file, and if you are using Windows, paste this in your batch file for Team Red Miner. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel just to support me. Thank you again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.